Good morning students. Welcome to your computer class. In today's class we will discuss about anchor element. This is an HTML element using which we can link our web page with some other web page or other part of my web page. Here we can represent a text or image as highlighted item in a web page which will contain the link of other web page. And when we move our mouse over this highlighted item, our mouse pointer shape will change to a pointing hand symbol. That indicates that it contains a link, and when you will click on that you will get more information about that topic from other part of my page or from other web page. So for anchor element we have a tag. This is a container tag. It has start a tag, end a tag. Here also we can use some attributes with start tag. One attribute is very important without which your anchor element will not work, that is href. Href for hyperlink reference. So in href attribute we will specify the address of the web page with whom we want to link our highlighted item. Now in between start and end tag of anchor element we will keep the text or image that needs to be linked with other page. Now we will make one web page which will contain hyperlink. So let's see. So this is Notepad where already I have written the basic structure of HTML with the title my page for my web page. Now here I will include some body text that I have copied from Wikipedia about Taj Mahal. Let me paste it. This is my body text. Save. Now we will open this page by double clicking on that, and it will open in Microsoft Edge, which is my default browser. Let's see. So this is my web page. Now here I will include one hyperlink to get more information about Taj Mahal from Wikipedia. So at the end of the body text, I will add one text. More information. Those who want to get more information about Taj Mahal, they will click on this text. So that means we have to make this text hypertext by inserting link here. For that, what to do? We have to write this more information between start and end tag of anchor element, a element. A start tag, and here a end tag. Now what I told, one very important attribute we have to use with anchor element, otherwise your text will not become hypertext. That is href. Href equal to, within double quotes you have to give the URL of the page with whom you want to link this more information. So for that, let me find out the address of the Wikipedia for Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal Wikipedia. Already I have visited this site. This is the link. Copy it and paste it here. So this link will not appear in blue color. This link will appear in purple color. Why purple color? Because I have already visited this link. So in 3 color link will appear in your web page. First time the color of the link will be blue if you don't visit there. And when you will click on that, clicking time, link's color will become red. That means it is active link. And next, once you visit to that link's color will be changed to purple. So in our case, we will get the color of this hyperlink in purple. Save it. Refresh. See now, it appears in purple color. When you will move your mouse pointer over this text, your mouse pointer shape will change to a pointing hand symbol. That means this is hyperlink. You click on that, you will get more information about Taj Mahal from Wikipedia. Let's see. It will open Wikipedia. See, in another tab it has opened. Taj Mahal, this is Wikipedia. Clear? Go back to get your page. Now 3 type of link we can insert in our web page. First one internal link, second one local link, and third one is global link. Internal link means link in the same page. Local links is a link to another page within the same website. Like in VSN website, all the pages are linked with each other using local link. And last one is global link, the links to page on different website. Suppose you have a link, like here in my web page, I have inserted the link of another website, which is global link. Clear? So internal link is the link to the information on the same page. That means the information may present in the other part of your page which is not currently in your window. It may be present at the bottom of your page. When you will click on that, it will bring the information from the bottom of the page. Local link means your page is linked with the other page of same site, means your website. And global link means it contains a link of a web page of other website. Clear? So this 3 type of link we can insert in our web page. Now instead of this text, we can put here one picture to make the picture as hyperlink. So for picture, what to use? IMG element, IMG src equal to again URL. So here I am giving the URL of this picture. Right click on the picture, go to properties, copy the location, and remember the name of the file, that is tm.jpg, which you have to add after the URL. Here in double quotes you paste the URL, then give one backslash, and the file name is tm.jpg. So I have to make the picture little small. Height equal to 30% of window height, and width equal to 30% of window width. Close it. This is empty element, so no need to write any end tag for IMG element. Save it, refresh your page. See, now this is the picture. Move your mouse over the picture. See, pointing hand symbol means it is hyperlinked with an external web page, that is Wikipedia for Taj Mahal page. Over. So this way we can insert an image as marquee also. Only what to do? You have to write this image element in between the marquee start tag and end tag. So that time your image will scroll in the page from right to left or from left to right according to the direction and behavior. I am not showing that. Now we will use a background color for our web page to make the web page little attractive. So for that, which attribute we will use? BG color, which already you have learned in your class 6 syllabus. BG color. It can either take color name or hexadecimal triplet color. For hexadecimal triplet color, you have to start the color code with hash, then RRGGBB. 2 hexadecimal digits for red, 2 hexadecimal digits for green, and 2 hexadecimal digits for blue color. So any digits we can use from 0 to F. 0 for no color and F for maximum color. So when you need dark color, you use less value. When you use bright color, you have to use more value. I am giving here AF for R. For G I am giving 0, that means I am not using any green color. And for blue I am using FF, full color. Let me save it. See, this color appears. Here we can change the font type, color and size of the body text. For that we have to use font element. Font face equal to font type. Let me use Comics Sans MS. Comics MS. Size equal to 7. That is the largest size, and 1 is the smallest size. Default size is 3. So let me give 5. This is container tag. Here it is font start tag. Now we have to end our body text with end tag. Font end tag. Save it. Reload. See, now you can change the color of the text also. Color equal to color name or RGB color. I am using color name. Let me use blue color. Save it. Reload. Okay. Now I will remove this picture to bring back the text. It was more information. See, this more information appears in purple color. Now here we can change the color of the link, active link and visited link. For that, 3 attributes are there: link, a link and v link. But this 3 attribute we have to use with body tag, not with anchor tag. Link attribute is used to set the color of a link that has not been visited. The default color is blue, which we can change to any other color. A link is the attribute is used to set the color for the link to be displayed when mouse pointer hovers on it or mouse button pressed on it. The default color is red. And v-link is the attribute is used to set the color for the link that has been visited in a web page. By default its color is purple, like our link appears in purple color. See, I am clicking on it, I am pressing my button. See, the color is red. This is for active link. So in today's class we have learned anchor element and few attributes of body element. So today up to this much. In our next class we will learn one more advanced feature of HTML. Till our next class, bye, have a nice day.